is RH channel 2.0. Welcome to my Excel project schedule with Gantt chart tutorial. We are going to create an S-curve for our Gantt chart. To create an S-curve, we need a cumulative progress data. So what we're going to do is sum up all the data we have in a vertical cells in the Gantt chart area. So here, click auto sum, drag up to the very first item of our schedule, then just copy this cell to end life of our project. So there, and in every week we have to sum up also all the data. So now we have our weekly progress data. Just copy this cell, drag it to the end life of your project, then this one auto sum because it has a different size cell. Then in our cumulative progress on the first cell, you will just carry over the progress of your first week. On the second cell or the second week, you have to add the first accumulative data plus the second week data. Then just copy this one again. Then here I'll have to add this plus this one. Then we get 100% cumulative data on our last week of the project life. So now we have our data needed for our S-curve. But before that, we will hide all the data we have in a Gantt chart. To do that, highlight this Gantt chart, inscribing all the data that you want to hide. Right click, format cells, then click custom, and here in general type 3 semicolons, then click OK. Now our data are hidden. So let's proceed to our S-curve. Select a data for your chart. Other version does not require this, but mine requires me to do it. Then all chart, line, then click OK. Filter, untick everything to hide unnecessary data. Add chart element, data labels, none. We just delete this one, delete also this one, as well this grid line. Right click, format plot. So fill solid, transparency 100%, no line on our borders. Okay, then click this, the outside one, solid, transparency 100, trend, more trend options, take this one, then we will change the color. This one we will take in the lines, then dash type, change it to this one, then okay. So now at this point, expand your S curve. For now, I will leave you for this. So that is our Gantt chart. So that is our project schedule, Gantt chart, and S curve. If you are interested with Primavera, you can check for my videos in my channel. Share the love, drop a comments, share and subscribe.